Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite seasonal recipes. I'm going to show you how to make my fall salad recipe. So this salad, you guys, this salad has it all. It is crunchy and tender and juicy and sweet and salty. It's like all the flavors, all the textures. It is a beautiful side dish to my lemon garlic roast chicken. I will link to that recipe below, but it also is a beautiful side dish to just about any meal. It's perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And to be honest, I also just love to eat it as a healthy lunch. I can't wait to show you how to make this fall salad recipe, my favorite fall salad recipe. So let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on any of my easy, wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. We're going to start by making an easy apple cider vinaigrette. I have apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, which is going to thicken the dressing and give it some body, a touch of honey for sweetness, salt and pepper, and good quality extra virgin olive oil. Now I love to make my dressings in a jar because that way I can just shake everything up, but you can certainly use a bowl and a whisk. You can make that dressing up to a week ahead of time, just keep it in the fridge. Now for the salad ingredients. We'll need half a head of radicchio, but you want to remove this inner core. It can be tough, so use your knife and slice that out, and then we'll thinly slice the radicchio. This pairs so well with pears. It's pleasantly bitter, and it's absolutely delicious in this salad, although you could use endive instead. Next, we'll slice half of a fennel bulb. I'm using my mandolin, but you can use a sharp knife instead. And then some baby arugula or mixed greens. Now we've got our pear. I like to quarter the pear and then hold my knife at an angle to cut out that core. This makes it easy to thinly slice the pear. I'm using a ripe Bartlett pear, but you can use any variety you like. We're also adding some toasted walnuts for some crunch. Season the salad with salt and pepper. You always want to remember to season your salads. And then pour that apple cider vinaigrette right over top. Toss this easy pear salad in that dressing until everything is evenly coated, but we're not done yet. We are going to add some chewy, sweet, dried cherries or cranberries, and then crumbled gorgonzola or blue cheese. Gorgonzola is actually a type of blue cheese, but you can use any blue cheese you like. That creamy, salty blue cheese is the ultimate pairing with the juicy pears, the sweet cherries, that bitter radicchio, and the crunchy fennel. This is my favorite fall and winter salad. You can serve it on its own as an elegant first course or pile it alongside nearly any main dish, including my lemon garlic roast chicken. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I would love to hear what you think about this fall salad recipe. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. I've included below a link to the full recipe with all of the measurements, and I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other easy salads and side dishes, and dinners and desserts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.